At least 31 people have been killed and 37 others have sustained injuries after a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 6.9 struck off the coast of the central Philippines on Tuesday evening. 4 buildings had collapsed, 3 government buildings had been damaged, and 6 bridges and 1 road were not passable. The intense tremors also caused damage to roads and knocked out power in parts of the region. The earthquake that struck off the coast of Cebu City in Philippines' central Visayas region just before 10 p.m. local time. These are some of the visuals coming in from different parts of Philippines, showing you the intensity of the earthquake and the damage which was caused. At least 31 people have been killed and 37 others sustained injuries after a strong earthquake with a magnitude of 6.9 struck off the coast of the central Philippines on Tuesday evening. That's the latest development that we have received from our sources. Four buildings have collapsed, 3 government buildings have been damaged, and 6 bridges and 1 road are not passable. This is with regards to the damage that has been caused. The preliminary reports of the aftermath that we have received from our sources. We are still collecting some more details coming in as far as the destruction and damage in Cebu of Philippines is concerned. But as of now, the morning update is about the death of 31 people at least, and also 37 sustaining injuries. The earthquake that struck off the coast of Cebu City in Philippines' central Visayas region just before 10 p.m. on Tuesday led to power outages and damaged buildings in the region. The Vice Mayor of the town has confirmed the death toll. Remember, Cebu City has a population of nearly 1 million people over there. Philippine Seismology Agency has warned of aftershocks and damage from the offshore tremor. There's also a warning of a tsunami that might follow this jolt. Philippine Seismology Agency has also warned that strong currents and rapid changes of seawater level are also expected in the area. The concerned public is also advised to be on alert for unusual waves. This is the advisory by Philippine Seismology Agency. We are also reporting that this warning which was given was soon after cancelled, just 3 hours after it was released. Remember, Philippines lies in the Pacific Ring of Fire range, where volcanic activity and earthquakes are very common. A couple of days ago also we reported an earthquake jolting Philippines. And today in the morning we are again receiving the report of about 6.9 magnitude of earthquake hitting the Cebu City of Philippines. The country had also witnessed 2 major earthquakes back in January, luckily with no casualties reported. We remember of an earthquake of 6.7 magnitude offshore back in 2023 in the same area that killed around 8 people. This time it is more serious. Many people have been killed.